Okay, now you can see that the cables and the plate that's holding cables in also 3 screws back together.
Now we can insert the 4 Phillips head screws to hold down the LCD.
You can see the battery here too. When you open up everything, you can access the battery. Alright, as you can see, the back plate is in, and then we have to put those about 14 screws back in. Alright, so now I just put in the first screw for the plate, the back metal plate. First screw in. See, 1, 2, 3. All these screws have to be in. They have to be put in next.